Each of the following self-improvement tips, tricks, and topics can be tailored to your specific situation, personality, and desired level of self-improvement. However, in order for you to successfully find motivation and live your life to the fullest, the underlying meaning and message of each point cannot be manipulated. 1. Accept personal responsibility. Take a look at yourself. Consider who you are. What kinds of activities do you enjoy? With whom do you spend the majority of your time? What life choices have you made? Etc. These, and others like them, are a direct reflection of who you've become. Would you have answered the questions the same way 5 or 7 years ago? Your responses would almost certainly have changed. It is critical to accept that you are constantly changing and growing. You can't expect to grow while remaining the same. The important thing is to accept responsibility for your actions, regardless of who they affect. 2. Teach your mind. Everything you do is controlled by your brain. Your brain is in control of your life, whether consciously or unconsciously. When you have a negative opinion of yourself, try to talk yourself out of it. Whatever you are putting yourself down about, turn it around and repeat the positive thought to yourself over and over again. Tell yourself repeatedly that you are capable of achieving a difficult goal over and over again. You are deserving of the world, and the world is deserving of you. 3. Forgiveness. Holding on to past problems, arguments, and mistakes prevents you from thriving and becoming the best version of yourself, not to mention causing poor mental health. You are liberated the moment you forgive and let go of the negativity that surrounded it. You may not be free right away, but you are on your way to personal growth and happiness. You will no longer have to bear that agony. Without this pain, you can devote your time and energy to the positive aspects of your life and become the most authentic version of yourself possible. 4. Be sincere. Being sincere with both yourself and other people will take you much further in life than lying and cheating. Even if only you are aware of your lies, you still have to live with them. If you were honest from the beginning, your life would be simpler. This is directly related to accepting personal responsibility. 5. Set priorities. Select people, things, and activities that make you joyful. Spending time with people or doing activities that make you unhappy is the worst waste of time. Life is too short to waste time on drama or bad choices. You must efficiently delegate your time since it is crucial. Make it a practice to spend time alone, doing everything you can to take care of yourself. Sleep an additional hour. Engage in yoga. Start your day with meditation. Read a book while enjoying your morning coffee, etc. Break the loop as soon as you know you're not content. Stop wasting time and begin to enjoy every moment of it. 6. Maintain balance. Take everything in proportion, just like everything else in life. Don't focus all of your attention on one issue or become overly absorbed in it. You may miss having a balance over time and end up losing relationships and connections with individuals. Spend time with the people you care about and stay in touch with them. 7. Show gratitude. Look around you. Are you scrolling through YouTube, moving mindlessly from one video to the other? Perhaps resting in bed? Right now, wherever you are is a terrific place to be. We are fortunate to be a part of this great life. Feel thankfulness, express it, and be grateful for every day you have been given. Don't forget to remember that your image of the finest version of yourself should be it and not someone else's. Instead of searching for a hidden solution, start at the bottom and work your way up. Find out what your limiting beliefs are, and then let them go. Your shoulds should become musts.